Chase. Dreaming about being chased generally means that you are being told by your unconsciousness that you're avoiding an issue or a person. This dream may include being chased by a person, shadow, shark, fox, dog, rabbit, another person, or any other strange object. The actions in your dream exemplify how you respond to pressure and cope with fears, stress, or various situations. You may be avoiding something painful, annoying, or fearful. Instead of confronting the situation, you have a tendency to run away and avoid issues that you are uncomfortable with addressing. This dream means that you are running from responsibilities that need to be sorted out. If you are chased by any type of animal, then this generally means that you need to come to terms with your passion in life. If someone is chasing you in your dream, then it may also refer to your close-mindedness. If a man dreams of being chased by a female in his dream, then this indicates that there is a feeling he is being consumed by another. The length of space between yourself and the chaser often indicates how far you are away from your anxieties and troubles. However, if you are able to widen the gap between your pursuer, then you are able to successfully distance yourself from the problem. Perhaps you are suppressing or rejecting certain feelings or certain characteristics of yourself. If you are close, then this dream is directly associated with problems which are going to surface very shortly. If you are the one doing the chasing, then the dream may highlight your drive and ambition to go after something you want, or go after someone you want. This dream also shows that others depend upon you to do well in life, whether that is family, friends, or children. When you have a recurring dream about being chased, then this indicates that you need to embrace a happy ending in your life. On the other hand, it may also mean that you are falling behind in some aspect of your life and are having to catch up to others. Your pursuer represents a problem that you're not dealing with in the waking world. The problem can even be emotional. Because, if you're running away from someone in your dream, then it's likely that you're running away from something in real life. Positive changes are aloof if you escape the pursuer, or you manage to escape without being caught, or you confronted the pursuer and everything turns out positively, or you manage to escape the situation in your dream completely. Our dreams of being chased by another person are typically tied into fears about specific situations in our waking lives. If you try to fight in a dream, only to find that your arms are total limp spaghetti, it might be a sign that you have some self-esteem issues. If you actually have a conflict with the person that is chasing you, then this indicates that you are likely to be affected by pre-programmed reproductions of situations which you encountered when you were a child. If the dream was in relation to being chased by burglars or criminals, then you're looking to protect yourself from other people's actions in the future. If the chaser is cursing you or shouting words, then you are feeling anger. If your chaser is scary and menacing, then it can be that you're trying to avoid an upsetting problem or an issue that's been causing you a lot of anxiety and anger. If, on the other hand, the figure isn't particularly threatening, then it is more likely that you're avoiding a responsibility that isn't so urgent. The images of dreams are often just symbols for things that are going on in our lives. If you participated in chasing another in your dream, then you are going to find that finances are going to cause problems. Memories can be a part of a dream, but a dream is more likely just a series of symbols for what your brain is currently processing while you sleep. If you are running away from a monster, then this generally means that a new ending is on the horizon. If you're dreaming about an animal chasing you, then it's likely that you've been repressing a lot of anger. Dreaming of being chased doesn't always mean that you're avoiding a real problem in the outside world. Your pursuer can represent certain emotions, such as fear and anger. To be chased by an alien shows that sorrow or misfortune is likely to take hold in your immediate future. If when you turn around whatever is chasing you dissolves away in front of your eyes, then this shows that you have the power to overcome your fears and anxieties. If an animal which is chasing you is bigger than it is in human life, this might mean that a situation will be delayed in the future. While dreaming of someone or something coming after you can represent a problem that you're not dealing with in life, not being able to run away from it suggests that you feel helpless and unable to deal with it. Your subconscious is telling you to get to the bottom of the problem at hand and try to come up with the resources needed to solve it. The individual chasing you in the dream may represent some negative feelings that we nurture for friends, colleagues, and relatives, such as anger, envy, distrust, fear, jealousy, and even love, which we perceive not to be reciprocated. If you are being chased by work colleagues or people at school, then this indicates that you may feel that you are not working as hard as you should. It could also mean an alert that you cannot stick to a commitment or your responsibilities. If you laugh in your dream or you find the event humorous, then this is a positive dream. Dreaming about a chase targeting you is a clear symbol for the fear you have of your problems, representing that they are too big. If you are chasing a woman, it means that your circle of friends will renew itself. If you dream that you are in slow motion when being chased, then this is an indication that you need to look at relationships around you. These dreams can often be very realistic. These types of chase dreams are often some of the most commonly experienced nightmares. To have a dream of being trapped to the ground while you're being chased is related to inadequate feelings. If you are a woman and you cannot move because you are being chased by something in your dream, suggests you are feeling restricted by the environment in which you live. If you are a man and you have a similar experience, this indicates that your masculinity has been questioned. If something in your life is causing you fear, stress, and confusion, it can sometimes manifest in your dream as an attacker who is coming after you. If you turn around in your dream and you see a shadow following you, this indicates you have denied yourself something in your life. If you see a butcher or somebody is chasing you with a weapon that is intended to hurt you, then this indicates that there is a situation in your life that you need to confront in order for future happiness. Sometimes we may have a dream that we are running away from the law or police. It could be possible that this dream would manifest if you have guilt about something, or if you feel like someone else is preventing you from doing what you really want to do in life. If you see a light in your dream and you are being chased towards it, then this indicates that spiritual development is on the horizon. Being able to identify what it is you are running away from in real life, and confronting it, is often the best way to stop these dreams and prevent them from happening again. If you see a bull chasing you, this shows that there is likely to be business trouble in the future. If you dream that a dog chases you or foxes, then this denotes unusual briskness in all affairs. If a bat chased you, then these circumstances indicate that you are likely to encounter some type of minor illness, either yourself or your sweetheart. To dream of a snake following you represents that friends are going to be grateful in connection with a gift that you are going to give in the future. If you dream that flies are following you in your dream, then this dream is not a good omen. You will have bad luck for the next 2 days. If you are chased by bees buzzing or are covered in a swarm of bees, highlights that trouble is likely to come. To catch a bee which is following you means that you are going to speak to someone who is not faithful. The setting can also give you a lot of clues as to what this dream may mean. The weather and elements can also have some meaning in the dream. If you are chased in a woodland, then this indicates that you have been cheating yourself and it is time to face up to your real desires. To be chased by a zombie or group of people, then this dream is associated with your own judgment. If you are being chased around streets in your dream, then this indicates a financial problem in your life. If a machine or robot chases you in dream, this means that you have anxiety about your happiness in the future.